Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Spark English. Today, we have a very special lesson for you. You will learn 10 simple English conversations that you can use in real life. These are short and easy dialogues for everyday situations. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can listen, repeat, and feel confident using English. If you are a beginner, this lesson is perfect for you. Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to Spark English. This really helps us create more valuable English lessons for you. All right, let's begin with our first conversation. Conversation 1. Saying hello and small talk. Hey, Ethan. How are you today? Hi. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you? I'm good too. It's a nice day, isn't it? Yes, it really is. The weather is great today. That's true. Did you have a busy day? A little busy, but not too bad. I finished work early. Oh, that's nice. So now you can relax. Yes, I just want to take it easy and enjoy the evening. That sounds good. Well, it was nice talking to you. You too. See you later. See you. Have a nice day. Conversation 2. Ordering coffee. Hi. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What can I get for you today?
Can I get a coffee, please?
Of course. What kind of coffee would you like?
I'd like a latte.
A latte. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please. It's a bit cold today.
Yes, it is. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Sure. Would you like sugar or milk?
Just a little sugar. Milk is fine.
No problem. Would you like anything to eat?
Maybe a small cookie.
Okay. 1 latte and 1 cookie.
Yes, that's right.
That will be $5.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your order will be ready in a few minutes.
Great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Please wait over there.
Conversation 3. Buying clothes. Hi. Excuse me.
Hello. How can I help you today?
I'm looking for a t-shirt.
Sure. What kind of t-shirt do you want?
Something simple. Maybe in a light color.
Okay. We have white, beige, and light blue.
I like the light blue one.
Good choice. What size do you wear?
Medium, I think.
Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. Where is the fitting room?
It's over there, on the left.
Great. Thank you. A moment later. Hi, I tried it on. It feels comfortable, but it's a bit tight.
No problem. Would you like to try a large size?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
This one fits much better.
I'm glad to hear that. Would you like to buy it?
Yes, I will.
The price is $20.
That's fine.
Would you like to pay by cash or card?
By card, please.
Okay, please come this way.
Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Returning or exchanging clothes. Hi. Excuse me.
Hello, how can I help you?
I bought this shirt yesterday, but it doesn't fit me very well.
I see. Would you like to return it or exchange it?
I'd like to exchange it, please.
Sure. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, I do. Here you are.
Thank you. What size would you like?
I'd like a larger size.
No problem. Let me check if we have it. Yes, we have this shirt in a large size.
Great. Can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting room is over there.
This one fits much better.
That's good to hear. Would you like to keep this one?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'll exchange it for you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Scene 2. Asking for discounts or sales. Excuse me, is this item on sale?
Let me check for you. Yes, it's on sale today.
Oh, really? How much is the discount?
It's 20% off.
That's nice. Is there any other discount?
If you buy 2 items, you get an extra 10% off.
I see. That sounds good.
Would you like to get another item?
Yes, I'll take this one too.
Great choice. Let me calculate the total.
Thank you.
The total is $36.
That's a good price. I'll take them.
Would you like to pay by cash or card?
By card, please.
All right. Please tap your card here.
Done.
Here's your receipt. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too. Excuse me. Can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
I'm looking for the train station.
The train station? It's not far from here.
Great. How do I get there?
Go straight down this street.
Okay. Go straight.
Then turn left at the second traffic light.
Turn left at the second traffic light.
Yes. After that, walk for about 5 minutes.
I see. Is it near anything?
Yes. It's next to a big supermarket.
Oh, I know that place.
The station is right behind it. You can't miss it.
That sounds easy. Is it far to walk?
No, not really. About 10 minutes on foot.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Thanks again. Scene 2. Asking again to confirm directions. Sorry, just to make sure.
Yes?
Go straight, then turn left at the second traffic light, right?
That's right.
And it's next to the supermarket.
Exactly. You'll see it clearly.
Okay, I understand now.
Good luck. Enjoy your day.
Thank you. And that's the end of today's lesson.
You just practiced a simple English conversation about asking for directions in real life.
These are sentences you can really use when you are traveling, studying, or living abroad.
Try to listen again, repeat out loud, and practice speaking slowly and clearly.
Don't worry about mistakes. The more you practice, the more confident you become.
Now, we'd love to hear from you.
Have you ever asked for directions in English?
Or maybe you got lost and someone helped you.
Share your experience in the comments below.
If you see other learners commenting, feel free to encourage them too.
Learning English is easier when we learn together.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please give this video a like.
And don't forget to subscribe to Spark English.
Your support helps us create more slow, clear, and useful English lessons for beginners.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
Keep practicing, stay confident, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye for now, and happy learning with Spark English.